Hello, my name's Michael Raven. I got involved in this company for very personal reasons, the most important of which is about my grandmother. She was receiving substandard home health care. If a system like this had been in place at that time, someone could have seen in the data the impending event which ended her life. I believe she would still be alive with us here today if the system was in place. And though this is a personal story, this story is a familiar story to everyone around the world. Lifestyle modification can be achieved simply through the act of monitoring what you're doing and being more aware of your choices. And sometimes seeing the data and seeing how it changes with, say, dietary alterations or more exercise. These are very powerful tools which can extend your life. And also, if we want to stay in our homes in the final phases of our lives, if we want to be as mobile as possible in the final phases of our lives, this is the system that will help you achieve that, in my opinion. And this is why it's so important. It's a simple fact. If you pay more attention to your actions and you're able to monitor the results of your choices, you will make better choices. Thank you.